And good evening there, Charlotte Weather Ranger Mike Griffith with you here, and we're going to talk about the tropics. We have a lot going on right now with tropical depression number 9 down here in the Gulf, just off the northwest tip of Cuba, as it will continue to kind of slowly strengthen overnight and into tomorrow as well. Later this week is when we're expecting a land strike from this thing. It's going to be about Thursday. And then the question is, does it move back out over water again once it crosses Florida? And does it strengthen into something by the time it gets up into the Northeast? And that's something that we're watching right now. Right here is the area of interest as a tropical wave leaves the west coast of Africa, right over Senegal, heading over the islands here and out to over the ocean where this could develop. And that's what we're going to be watching here throughout the course of the next few weeks or so. So here's the GEFS ensemble. I want you to pay attention to that in the Gulf right there. And that is the storm, all the possible centers, the locations or readings of pressure here. A whole bunch of different models combined in the normal ensemble, the GEFS. And then this storm generally moves off in the direction and could take off over water and blow up once again. And what we're watching is that the ensemble spread takes some out to sea with this storm, with whatever tropical storm this becomes, takes it out to sea. More members take it up here into off the coast of New Jersey as we head into the 4th of September and right up into New York City, Long Island by September 5th. So that's a situation that we obviously would not want to have. But here's the big one, and here's what we're watching. See that general area of low pressure coming up from the Caribbean? Okay, and ensembles right now are kind of hitting at a location either in here or here around September 8th, which is a Thursday. And then the question is does this actually see a big storm, or is this all just kind of joined together? Does it all just join together and become one big storm as we head into the 10th and the 11th? Okay, there it is right there. This is the ensemble for September 11th in the long range, putting a general area of closed low pressure, closed area of high up here, which will force a storm to the south. Now, while this storm is going to likely be in this area, general area, maybe around the 11th or 9th or 10th, then we have to watch it because it could be something pretty nasty. But this ridge on the ensembles of high pressure is indicating there could be a front that would either be it would be ahead of this high, and it would sweep this thing out to sea. And let's hope that's the case. Charlotte Weather Ranger on Facebook, and charlotte.weatherranger.com is the website. I'm meteorologist Mike Griffith. Have a great night, everybody. Have a good Wednesday.